Hi, this is Cooking with E, and tonight we're going to make pork chops with apples. I've been making this for years. It is super simple. It only has 3 ingredients if you don't count the salt and pepper. Let's get started. All right, this is super simple. I've already prepped the pan with a little bit of cooking spray. I highly recommend you use foil, have some edges on it so the sugar doesn't get up underneath. Melted sugar underneath your foil will just make it like glue to your pan and be really hard to get off. All right, so we're going to do our pork chops. Any cut of pork chops will work. A little pepper. Smidge of salt. Just put a little brown sugar on each chop. Kind of move that around. You're just going to set this aside a minute. Slice our apples real quick. It's okay to leave the skin on. You want to slice them kind of thin. Just put your apples on your chops. And if some of you don't like the skin, you're certainly welcome to peel your apple prior to. And then you're just going to add another dusting of brown sugar. The oven's been preheated to 350 degrees, and they'll take about 45 minutes depending on the thickness of your chops. Just spread that out again. All right, we're back. It's fresh out of the oven. Let's give it a taste test. They're pretty good. You get a slight hint of pepper and the sweetness of the brown sugar and the apples with the pork. So delicious. I served it with brown rice and some broccoli this evening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel to help it out. Tell your family and friends, and I look forward to having you back with Cooking with E.